kicking the ball, it will be again parabola form. If your mother is throwing any of the utensil over you, it will be again in the parabola form. Okay?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. Let describe the whole parabola motion, that is projectile motion, by using vectors. Whatever we have studied, Sara kuch we will be putting in this thing. Okay? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
First, suppose a boy, is standing over here. It kicked the football. Okay, it will kick the football with some initial velocity, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Velocity. Let the initial velocity be v.
V.
Now this v will get divided into two components.
Yes.
Yes.
That is
Yes, sir. X and Y.
y component.
अच्छा हाँ
Yes, sir.
What is the
X
job of
component.
X component? What is the job of x component?
Vertical.
No.
Vertical and horizontal.
horizontal
Horizontal and vertical.
X component has the job of taking the ball in the horizontal direction. Y component has the job of taking the ball in
vertical
Vertical.
We will be bifurcating this instantaneous velocity into x component and y component. Fine?
Yes.
Right? Clear?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just observe the figure properly. What you can see, is there some component is missing? Or is there any component
Yes.
decreasing? See,
Y component is
has
decreasing.
started decreasing.
Y component
Yes,
is
sir.
decreasing.
And at some particular height, the y component get vanished. It's in common,
Yes, sir.
in common sense. अगर आप ये चौक है, for example, अगर इसको मैं ऊपर फेंकता हूँ, at particular height पे जाके, the chalk will lose all of its kinetic energy, and then it will fall.
yes sir
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That
yes sir
when the chalk
Yes.
moving upward, it will be start losing its kinetic energy. That means its velocity will start decreasing as it start moving in the upward direction. Okay? अगर ये chalk
Yes, sir.
जाता है तो उसकी kinetic energy will decrease. At a particular point, उसकी velocity will vanish, and from that point, the chalk will fall again.
yes sir
ये समझ में आया?
yes sir
अभी
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir
किसी बात है,
Yes, sir.
if you jump at a particular height, your velocity becomes 0 and you fall back again.
Yes, sir.
yes sir yes sir
Superman. I don't know about Mooks. He might be a Superman, but we are not Superman. Right?
yes sir
Fine. But tell me one thing. Just tell me one thing. It's a simple question. Who does the task of decreasing this y component? Is there anything which decreases the y component?
Gravity.
Gravitation.
Gravitational force.
Gravitational force.
Gravitational force.
Okay, fine. I get it. Very good. That is acceleration. Fine. Now we also have to resolve acceleration into two components. Pure two component, or it will be having only one component?
सर एक ही होगा ना क्योंकि ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स तो सिर्फ नीचे जाता है
yes sir
वो भी
y component
डायरेक्ट नीचे जाएगा तो एक ही होगा
In the downward direction. That means it is only have the y component.
हाँ
yes sir
Yes.
हाँ
yes sir
Negative or positive?
नेगेटिव
Negative.
Negative.
समझ में आया?
हाँ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How we are using vectors. Okay?
yes
Clear?
Yes,
everybody?
sir.
Up till this,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
just everybody draw the figure in your notebook. Draw the figure in your notebook. Give the heading projectile motion. Draw it fast.
Done, sir.
yeah done sir
And everybody,
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
yeah sir
No, sir.
लिखना बाकी है
hey, no need to sing. You are not Lata Mangeshkar.
ये शुभ
मैं नहीं गाया.
See, this is final.
बंद चालू हो गया.
If anybody does hoo-ha, I will be removing everybody. It will be lost for whole 11 signs. I have two nature. I am like अपरिचित. कुछ अच्छा भी है, कुछ बुरा भी है मेरे में. And the बुरा part is worst than the अच्छा part. Right? Better just do it. Physics is fun-loving thing. Okay, I am not making it boring for you. Done, everybody?
sir done yes sir
Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Done.
One more thing you can notice over here. There is one more thing is missing over here. Between the resultant vector, that is between this velocity and x component, there is something is missing.
sir r लिखना बाकी है
No.
Angle.
Direction.
Very good. Angle. 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 Just tell me, does this angle start reducing when it approaches the height?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And at this point, the theta becomes
0.
clear, everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Ball is falling down. Okay, the component will get reversed. Okay.
सर मतलब ये भी स्लोप जैसा ही होता है.
Done, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Achha. One more thing you can notice over here. Look at the x component of the velocity. Everywhere, look at the x component of the velocity. Does it is changing?
Yes, sir.
No.
No, not at all.
No, sir.
No, sir.
In real life
No,
problem,
sir.
practical life problem, when we hit the ball, there must be air resistance which is reducing the velocity.
Yes, sir.
But in this projectile motion, we have taken air resistance as negligible, due to which the x component almost remain constant. Clear? X component, see the magnitude, see the length of this vector of x component. The length is same everywhere. The length is same everywhere.
everywhere
Everywhere.
Component remain constant throughout this projectile motion. Fine, students.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir, but in
sir.
exams,
Yes,
if
Yes.
sir, but in exams, if someone asks us about giving the air resistance, then how we will solve this question?
No. See, all the calculation are done without taking air resistance. Even if there is air resistance, it will be having negligible effect. But if we go on increasing the height of our projectile motion, the air resistance will be having great impact. Did you understand what I am trying to say? For
Yes, sir.
example, rocket, if we want to launch rocket, there we have to take care of the air resistance. But
Yes,
for
sir.
the motion of football, cricket ball, or basketball, or an arrow, we don't need air resistance because it has not much effect on the projectile motion. But if we consider about the rocket and any other thing, okay, we have to take care of the air resistance. But here we have taken the air resistance as negligible. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Fine?
Yes.
Yes.